Make a great choice today with
the 2011 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front tow hooks, chrome rear bumper, traction control, inside you'll find cruise control. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency.